Okay, all of you, good morning. Today topic is corrosion and factors influence the rate of corrosion. Introduction. Metals are highly reactive elements and hence easily react with different reagents and form their corresponding compounds. Metals are used in different forms in different fields. When metals are used in various forms, they are exposed to environment. The exposed metal surfaces being to decay more or less rapidly when they come in contact with gases and or liquid environment. This decay of metals is called corrosion. In other words, destruction or deterioration of the metal starts at the surfaces, but its losses are enormous. It is estimated that the losses due to corrosion of pipes, auto spares, machinery parts, building materials, etc. are around 2 to 2.5 billion dollars per annum all over the world. Hence, an engineer must understand the mechanism of corrosion and its controlling methods. Then next, definition of corrosion. The slow and gradual disintegration of a metal due to its environment is called corrosion. Whenever a metal is exposed to the environment, it reacts with the active agents like O2, CO2, H2O, etc. and form compounds like oxides, hydroxides, etc. This type of metallic destruction may be due to direct chemical attack or electrochemical attack. Rusting of iron, tranching of silver, and gold ornaments are the examples of corrosion. Factors influence the rate of corrosion. The following factors influence the rate of corrosion of a metal. Position of metal in the electrochemical series or nature of metal. The rate of corrosion is directly proportional to the reactivity of metals. The reactivity of metals decreases from top to bottom in the electrochemical series. Hence, rate of corrosion also decreases in the same sequence. The metal which is occupy the higher position in electrochemical series, that metal act as anode and easily undergoes to the corrosion. The metal which is occupy the lower position in electrochemical series, the metal as less reactive and slowly undergoes to the corrosion. The metals like sodium, potassium, magnesium, etc. are more reactive and easily undergoes to the corrosion. It act as anode. It occupy the higher position in electrochemical series. So the rate of corrosion is high for these metals. The metals like gold, silver, platinum, etc. are less reactive and the rate of corrosion less for these metals. These metals are occupy the lower position in electrochemical series. It does not undergoes corrosion or slowly undergoes to the corrosion. When reactive, when present in atmosphere, reactive agents. Purity of metal. Impure metal undergoes corrosion. The rate and extent of corrosion increase with the amount of impurities in the metals. So, pure metal is more resistant to corrosion than an impure metal. The purity based on the metals, which metal containing high purity, that metal undergoes slowly corrosion, which metal containing less purity, the metal easily undergoes to the corrosion. Physical state of metal, grain size, stress, orientation of crystals influence the rate of corrosion. The smaller the grain size of metal, greater will be its corrosion. The stressed areas undergoes corrosion easily. The metal which is contain high grain size, stress orientation, it does not undergoes easily corrosion. The metal which is less grain size, less stress and orientation, the metal easily undergoes to the corrosion. Nature of corrosion products. If the corrosion product is soluble in the corroding medium or evolved as a gas, then corrosion proceeds at a faster rate. On the other hand, if the corrosion product is insoluble or act as protective coating, reduces the further corrosion. Example, aluminum surface is oxidized and the oxide layer acts as protective coating for the inner metal. Impurities in the atmosphere. The presence of corrosive gases like CO2, H2S, SO2, HCl, H2SO4, etc. increases the rate of corrosion. These gases present in the atmosphere more rate of corrosion and increases the rate of corrosion. In industrial areas, the industries released this type of gases or acids because in industrial area the rate of corrosion increases. Humidity of air. The corrosion of a metal becomes faster in humid atmosphere. This is because the CO2 and oxygen, then the vapors furnished water to the electrolyte, which is essential for setting up of electrochemical cell. Effect of pH. The rate of corrosion is more in acid media, that is 7, than in alkali or neutral media. Temperature. Corrosion is a chemical process. The rate of chemical reaction increases with temperature. Hence, as temperature increases, the rate of corrosion increases. Electrochemical theory of corrosion. This theory was introduced by Whitney. Metals are electropositive in character. They have tendency to lose electrons. According to this theory, corrosion is an electrochemical process or electrochemical corrosion. This type of corrosion occurs due to electrochemical process resulting from galvanic cell set up between two dissimilar metals or two dissimilar parts of the same metal. In this galvanic cells, current or electrons flows through the conducting medium from anode to cathode. At anodic area, oxidation of metal, liberation of electrons takes place, so anodic metal is destroyed. Hence, corrosion always occurs at anodic areas. In this electrochemical theory introduced Whitney, the Whitney scientists explain the metal which is occupy the higher position in electrochemical series. The metal very reactive and it act as anode and easily undergoes to the corrosion. The metal which is occupy the lower position in electrochemical series, the metal act as cathode, it undergoes slowly corrosion. At the cathodic area, reduction, gaining of electrons takes place. The dissolved constituent of the conducting medium like H plus, H2O and O2 accept the electrons to form ions like OH minus, O minus 2, etc. The metal ions formed at anode and non-metal ions formed at the cathode diffuse towards each other through the conducting medium and form the corresponding product. Formation of different types of corrosion cells. Three types of galvanic cells are formed during the electrochemical corrosion. They are composition cell, stress cell, concentration cell. Composition cell or galvanic cell. A galvanic cell formed between two dissimilar metals is called composition or galvanic cell. If two dissimilar metals are electrolytically connected and exposed to an electrolyte, a composition cell is formed. In this cell, more reactive metal higher in electrochemical series acts as anode and undergoes corrosion. The less reactive metal lower in electrochemical series acts as cathode. This type of corrosion is called galvanic corrosion. When zinc and copper are electrically connected and exposed to an electrolyte, zinc act as anode. It occupy the higher position in electrochemical series and copper act as cathode. Since zinc is higher in electrochemical series in this cell, zinc undergoes corrosion. This type of corrosion is observed in steel pipe connected to copper plumbing and lead antimony solder around copper wire. Next, stress cell. A cell formed between stressed and unstressed parts of a metal is called stress cell. The metal pieces containing one is stressed area and another one is unstressed area. The stressed area in a metal act as anode and unstressed area act as cathode. The stressed part undergoes corrosion. Example 1, in a nail, the head and tail parts being stressed parts act as anode and undergoes corrosion. Example 2, in bend pipes, the curved parts are stressed and act as anode and uncurved parts act as cathode. The anode part undergoes corrosion. Concentration cell, a galvanic cell formed due to difference in the concentration of electrolyte or gas around the metal surface is called concentration cell. This type of corrosion occurs if a metal is exposed to an electrolyte of different concentrations or differential irritation in the cell. Less exposed part acts as anode and undergoes corrosion, and more exposed part acts as cathode. Example 1. If zinc metal is partially immersed in a solution of neutral sodium chloride, the part immersed in the solution has lower concentration of oxygen and hence it acts as anode and undergoes corrosion. The part above the water line, non-immersed, acts as cathode. Iron codes under drops of water are dirty. The area which have free access to air containing more oxygen act as cathode. The area under the droplet or dirty have less access to air becomes anode due to low oxygen and undergoes corrosion. Then next, rusting of iron. The slow and gradual disintegration of iron due to atmospheric conditions is called rusting of iron, or corrosion of iron is called rusting. When a piece of iron is left in the atmosphere, it reacts with oxygen and water vapor and gets coated with red, brown deposit is called rust. The rust can be represented as Fe2O3 XH2O, where X equal to 0 to 3 water molecules. Rusting of iron occurs due to first one, impure state of the metal. The below factors are present in atmosphere, the rust automatically occurring. Second one, moisture. Third one, oxygen and CO2 present in the atmosphere. Fourth one, electrolytes present in the atmosphere. Fifth one, pH of electrolytes. And sixth one, temperature. Mechanism of rusting of iron. The surface of iron metal, due to mechanical strain or impurities, lead to form a number of galvanic cells. The unstrained part or clean surface of iron act as cathode. Strained part or impure part act as anode. At anodic part, the iron atom undergoes oxidation by losing electrons. At the anode, Fe gives rise to Fe plus 3 electrons, that is called oxidation, The electrons move to cathodic part on the surface itself and taken by oxygen and H2O of the atmosphere to form OH minus ions. At cathode, H2O plus of O2 plus 2 electrons gives rise to 2 OH minus reduction. The ferric ions formed at the anode and hydroxyl ions formed at the cathode combine to form ferric hydroxide. Fe plus 3 OH minus gives rise to FeOH3. The ferric hydroxide loss of water and gradually convert into brownish rust. 2FeOH3 gives rise to Fe2O3 XH2O plus H2O. Okay, we discussed about in this class definition of corrosion and factors of corrosion, different types of factors present in corrosion, and electrochemical theory of corrosion, formation of different types of corrosion cells. These are number one composition cell, second one stress cell, third one concentration cell, and next rusting of iron and mechanism of rusting of iron. In this topic asking the questions, first one define corrosion and write any 5 factors influence the rate of corrosion. Then next explain electrochemical theory of corrosion with diagram. Then next write the formation of different corrosion cells or galvanic cells. Then next explain composition cell or stress cell. Then next define rust and explain mechanism of rusting of iron.